Imagine dropping $50,000 on a used truck only to have the engine fail after 100,000 miles. That's throwing money in the trash. But what if you could find an engine that's practically bulletproof? One that could hit 500,000 miles with basic maintenance? Today, we're counting down the top 10 truck engines that simply refuse to die. These are the power plants mechanics recommend and owners swear by. And the number one pick might surprise you. Number 10. Ford's 6.7-liter Power Stroke. The 6.7-liter Power Stroke marked Ford's shift to in-house diesel development. Introduced in 2011, this engine produces impressive power while addressing many issues from previous generations. With proper maintenance, these engines can easily reach 250,000 miles. Key strengths include the factory-installed exhaust brake and quick-start glow plug system that works even in sub-zero temperatures. The CGI block provides exceptional durability without excessive weight. However, earlier models suffered from turbo failures and high-pressure fuel pump issues. If you're shopping for one, target 2015 and newer models which resolve most of these problems. Number 9. GM 6-liter Vortec. Don't sleep on this gas-powered workhorse. The 6-liter Vortec has powered GM's HD trucks for decades with impressive reliability. This pushrod V8 design prioritizes simplicity, making it one of the most dependable gas engines ever put in a truck. What makes it special? Cast iron block, aluminum heads, and a timing chain instead of a belt. These design choices translate to fewer failure points. Plus, parts are abundant and affordable. The most common issue? The throttle position sensor can fail, causing rough idle, but it's a cheap, easy fix that doesn't threaten engine longevity. Look for 2010 to 2016 models which offer the best balance of power and reliability. Number 8. Cummins 6.7-liter. The modern Cummins 6.7-liter continues the legacy of its predecessors while meeting stricter emission standards. The inline-6 configuration provides inherent balance, reducing vibration and wear. Owners report strong reliability even when towing heavy loads regularly. The engine's simple architecture means fewer electronic components to fail compared to competitors. Post-2013 models addressed most emission system issues, though the EGR system remains a maintenance item. Watch for leaking oil coolers on higher mileage examples. But with basic care, these engines routinely exceed 300,000 miles. If you're considering getting one of these trucks, hit subscribe to catch our upcoming guide on what to look for in a used Cummins-powered Ram. Number 7. Ford's 6.2-liter Boss V8. Ford's 6.2-liter Boss V8 doesn't get the attention it deserves. This gas engine has proven remarkably durable in F250 and F350 trucks since 2011. Built with a cast iron block and aluminum heads, it features a variable cam timing system that balances power and efficiency. The overbuilt bottom end allows this engine to handle significant abuse without complaint. Common issues are minimal, mostly limited to spark plug concerns in early models. With regular oil changes, these engines frequently hit 250,000 miles without major work. Number 6. GM Duramax LML. The LML Duramax 2011 to 2016 represents GM's most reliable modern diesel. Producing 397 horsepower and 765 pound-feet of torque, it delivers serious capability while maintaining longevity. What makes this engine special is its improved fuel system with piezoelectric injectors that offer more precise fueling. The engine's cooling system was also upgraded compared to earlier Duramax engines. Pay attention to the emissions components, particularly the DEF system. When properly maintained, these engines easily exceed 300,000 miles. When paired with the Allison transmission, you're looking at one of the most dependable powertrain combinations available. Number 5. Toyota 5.7-liter iForce. Sometimes reliability comes in unexpected packages. Toyota's 5.7-liter iForce V8 might not have headline-grabbing power numbers, but it's arguably the most dependable half-ton truck engine made in the last 15 years. This engine uses an aluminum block with cast-iron cylinder liners and a timing chain designed to last the life of the engine. The dual VVTi system provides excellent throttle response while maintaining efficiency. The most common issue? There really isn't one. Oil leaks are rare, and timing components almost never fail. These engines regularly exceed 300,000 miles with basic maintenance, and rebuilds are almost unheard of. If you're looking for trouble-free ownership, this engine deserves serious consideration. You're halfway through our countdown of engines that refuse to die. Hit subscribe now to make sure you catch our upcoming video on the maintenance secrets that can double your engine's lifespan. Number 4. GM Duramax 6.6-liter LBZ. The LBZ Duramax, produced from 2006 to 2007, represents the sweet spot in the Duramax timeline. With 360 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, it strikes the perfect balance between power and reliability. What makes the LBZ special is its lack of complex emission systems that plague later models. The engine features a robust block casting, stronger connecting rods, and improved main bearing caps compared to earlier Duramax engines. When paired with the Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, these trucks are legendary for their durability. Highway fuel economy typically ranges from 17 to 21 miles per gallon, impressive for a heavy-duty diesel. Expect to pay a premium for a well-maintained LBZ. They've become highly sought after by those in the know. These engines regularly exceed 350,000 miles with proper maintenance. Number 3. Ford's 7.3-liter Power Stroke. The Ford 7.3-liter Power Stroke, produced from 1994 to 2003, remains the gold standard for diesel durability. This 444 cubic inch V8 wasn't the most powerful diesel of its era, but it might be the most reliable. Its HEUI fuel injection system was innovative for its time, using high-pressure oil to actuate the fuel injectors. The engine features a cast iron block and heads, contributing significantly to its legendary durability. Common issues are minor. The camshaft position sensor can fail, causing stalling, and the UVCH harness can cause rough running. But these are inexpensive fixes that don't threaten engine longevity. With proper maintenance, these engines routinely hit 400,000 miles, with many examples exceeding 500,000. It's not uncommon to find trucks where the body has rusted away while the engine continues to run strong. Number 2. Cummins 5.9-liter 24-valve. The Cummins 5.9-liter 24-valve, 1998 to 2007, perfectly balances modern performance with legendary reliability. This inline-six engine delivers impressive power while maintaining the simplicity that made Cummins famous. Later models, 2003 to 2007, feature the highly regarded common rail injection system, providing smoother operation and better cold starts than the earlier VP44 pump models. The 325 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque in 2006 to 2007 models make these trucks excellent towing vehicles. The 24-valve head design improved airflow compared to earlier 12-valve models, while maintaining the bulletproof bottom end. These engines commonly exceed 500,000 miles with basic maintenance. Watch for fuel system issues in 1998 to 2002 models with the VP44 pump. For maximum reliability, the 2003 to 2007 common rail models are the ones to target. Number 1. Cummins 5.9-liter 12-valve. The legendary Cummins 5.9-liter 12-valve, 1989 to 1998, tops our list as the most unkillable truck engine ever made. This inline-six diesel is renowned for its simplicity, reliability, and incredible longevity. What makes it special? The mechanical fuel injection system eliminates complex electronics. The P7100 injection pump in 1994 to 1998 models, the coveted P-pump, is both reliable and easily serviceable. The robust cast iron block and inline configuration provide inherent balance and durability. With basic maintenance, these engines regularly exceed 600,000 miles, with many surpassing the million-mile mark. They're also incredibly fuel efficient, with owners reporting 18 to 22 miles per gallon highway. The only significant concern is the killer dowel pin issue, where a factory dowel pin can work loose and cause damage. But this is easily prevented with a simple fix. If absolute reliability is your priority, nothing beats a 12-valve Cummins. These engines are so reliable that they've developed a cult following, with well-maintained examples commanding premium prices decades after production ended. So there you have it, the 10 truck engines that simply refuse to die, but we've barely scratched the surface of what makes these power plants legendary. If you want even more detailed information about bulletproof truck engines, check out my video about the 9 pickup truck engines that last forever, where I break down the exact maintenance schedules, common failure points, and insider tips from mechanics who've rebuilt thousands of these engines. Click the link in the description now. You don't want to miss the surprising facts about what actually kills most engines prematurely.